Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the trunk and fold back the carpet liner to expose the tail light access area. Locate the plastic access panel and remove clips using a plastic trim tool. Avoid metal tools that scratch paint. Work with the vehicle parked on level ground and the ignition off to avoid electrical hazards. Keep a small tray for fasteners and put on safety glasses. If available, disconnect the negative battery terminal or ensure the 12V system is off before touching bulbs or connectors. Especially behind the access panel, locate the three 10mm nuts that secure the tail lamp assembly. Use a 10mm socket and an extension for easier access. Remove the nuts and set them in a magnetized tray. Support the lamp with one hand and gently pull the assembly outward. It releases from two plastic retention tabs and a rubber gasket seal. If it feels stuck, check for hidden screws or a second clip. Typical removal takes 15 to 30 minutes per side for most Chrysler 300 models. Once the assembly is free, reach behind and twist each bulb socket counterclockwise to release bulbs. Replace any burned bulbs with matching wattage and fit. Press the harness tab and pull straight to disconnect the multi-pin connector. Inspect pins for corrosion and clean with electrical contact cleaner if needed. Reseat the rubber gasket and align the lamp, then hand-tighten the three 10mm nuts to avoid stripping. Reconnect the 12V, test brake, turn signal, and reverse lights, then reattach the access panel and carpet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.